the problem 4/6 plus 5/6, and my student got 9/12. Now their misconception is that they're thinking of these fractions as individual numbers, and they're just adding the numerators together and adding the denominators together and calling it good. So they're thinking of 5/6 as 5 and 6. Now I got the correct answer, and it's below that, and it's actually 1 1/2. Now the student may be questioning, how did that 1 come out? Also, how did the half come out? How did we get a whole here? Now I can show them what they're thinking. They're thinking 4/6 plus 5/6 equals 9/12. Now they can see the real answer is a lot larger than what they got. But I can also explain that 4/6 and 5/6 are very close to a whole, so their answer is probably going to be larger than a whole. We can pull out the whole bar and show them visually that their answer is going to be a lot larger than a whole. But I also have some context here, just a word problem that explains that you're hosting a baking party and you went to the store to grab supplies, but you forgot milk. 2 of your guests offer to bring what they have at home to your party. One has 4/6 of their gallon left, the other has 5/6 of their gallon left. So how much milk do you have total now? So what I can do is I can show a representation again of our gallons. 1 gallon was 5/6 full, the other gallon was 4/6 full. Now we want to see how much we have all together. So that means we're combining them. So let's imagine pouring this 4/6 gallon into this 5/6 gallon and seeing how full we can get this gallon here. So we'll pull out a whole bar here, and we'll show a visual. This whole bar represents a full gallon. So if we have 5/6 gallon, you can see that's almost full. We only need 1 more 1/6 of a gallon to fill this gallon full. So that means we only need 1 part of our 4/6 gallon. We only need 1/6. So we have 3/6 left in our gallon. We have a full gallon and 3/6 left in the other gallon. Now 3/6 is equal to a half. We can actually just take 3 and 6, divide them both by 3, and we get 1/2. So that's how we get our answer there. Now I can also show them a different way of getting our answer. We can actually use these 2 orange squares, and we can separate them into 6 parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this will represent our first gallon and our second gallon. So we'll shade in how much milk our guest brought. 1/4 or 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. That's 1 gallon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our second gallon, 5/6. So we have a full gallon and a half of a gallon of milk total. So how we do this mathematically, explaining this problem here, is we have 4/6 of a gallon. That was our first gallon. We only added really 2/6. We only added 2 to that to make it a whole. So it only needed 2/6 to make a whole. That's where our whole comes from. Now what we have left is 3/6. We have 3/6 of that 5/6 gallon left. So we have this whole portion here left, and that's equals a half. It reduces to a half. So our answer is 1 1/2.